In America, we have been blessed with a robust healthcare system and can typically have an ambulance at our door within minutes of dialing a 3-digit number. But recent unfortunate events have shown that our healthcare system, as robust as it is, can quickly become overwhelmed, and then life-critical interventions are delayed. And even in an isolated emergency, those 5 to 10 minutes it takes for an ambulance to get to your location may not be fast enough when severe injuries such as arterial bleeds are the problem. We encourage everyone to have a medical kit accessible. Not only should you have one in your home and in each vehicle, but you should have one within reach at all times. While there are some options on the market that allow you to carry medical gear on your person, we feel these all fell short in one way or another. So we set out on a mission to fix this problem. And this is our solution. The KICKER is an ankle medical kit that is slim and lightweight and makes carrying medical gear with you simple. So we finally settled on Neoprene as the base for this ankle kit. This offers plenty of cushion between the gear that you're wearing and your leg, but is also super lightweight, so this entire ankle kit is just very lightweight. Everything on this is very thin. We spent a lot of time in the design to make sure that it was very minimal, so it didn't stick out any more than it had to and was easy to conceal. We also spent a lot of time on sizing. We have the right amount of hook and loop so that one size fits most and you don't have any more extra material than is needed. The way we set these pockets up allows you to run an entire IFAK if you want to, or you can slim it down and just run the tools that you want to run. There's also a variety of ways to be able to carry trauma shears, chem lights, decompression needles, Sharpies, pocket knives, and a variety of other tools you may want to carry in here in addition to your regular medical gear. Depending on how you fold your tourniquet, you may find that the strap that goes around it falls a little bit short. So we will take this strap on the other side and remove the Velcro, and now we have a strap that we can add as an extension to secure our tourniquet in place. Or you can simply fold your tourniquet to where it's a little bit shorter. If you don't need that strap to hold the tourniquet in place, then you can simply leave it in place to hold trauma shears or remove it if it's in your way. If you're running a cat tourniquet, we have a sheath that will slide down inside this pocket. The sheath allows you to be able to get that tourniquet in and out easily, so the Velcro all over the cat tourniquet doesn't stick on the elastic as you're trying to get it in and out. It also protects your pant legs and clothing from the abrasions of the Velcro on the cat tourniquet, and it offers that extra extension so that this strap now fits in place and holds that tourniquet in there. The design for the KICKER has taken quite a while to complete. We have been through many revisions and extensive field testing with individuals from different professions, including law enforcement, fire and rescue, and EMS. We're excited to now share this project with you and offer what we feel is the best solution for carrying life-saving equipment with you at all times. Whoa!